Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve 444 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Asanori Yamamoto and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The 444 puzzle is made in two different combinations of wood. First one is mahogany and IP or Brazilian walnut, and the second one is mahogany and acacia. Here I have mahogany and acacia version of this puzzle. This puzzle has difficulty level 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the object of the puzzle is to fit all four parts inside the frame in such a way that both openings will be covered and there will be no gaps like you can see here or sticking out parts like you can see on this side. This puzzle has 4 unique pieces, and as I told you, you have to put them inside the frame in such a way that both openings will be covered. And the frame looks like this. There is one big opening and one smaller opening on the other side. If you like 444 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve this puzzle. It doesn't matter how you gonna put the frame, since it's gonna look exactly the same on each side. But it's going to be quite important to put all the parts in a correct shape. And let me try to remember how it's going to look, and then I'm going to tell you what you have to do. Yeah, so first, when you solve such kind of puzzles, it is better to figure out the shape that you're going to put inside the frame, but you have to assemble it outside the frame, and then try to figure out all necessary steps that you have to do in order to solve the puzzle. So the shape that is going to be inside is going to look like this. This part is going to be on the bottom. This part is going to be on top of the first part. This part that looks like this is going to be right here, and the last piece that looks like this. And if you use some logic, it is the only piece that you can put inside the frame, and it's gonna stick out from the back side as much as possible and leave more space inside so that you can fit all other parts. So it's gonna be right here. Next, you have to figure out the moves, what you have to do. So this goes first, then you move this part to the right, you move these two parts to the front, and that's when this piece on the back can go all the way down. Now this part goes one step back and to the right, and that's when you can remove first piece, then goes this part, then goes this, and then this one. So to solve it inside the frame, what you have to do is grab the frame, put this piece first, and let it fall down inside the cutout on the back side. Next goes this piece, just put it on top of the first one. Next you have to grab this piece and put it inside the frame right here on the side. And the last piece is going to be this one. You have to put it inside the frame like this. Next you have to tilt the frame to the left and towards yourself, so that this piece will go to the left and then towards yourself. Then push this piece that is sticking out on the bottom all the way up. Move these two pieces this direction. Now grab this part, move to the left, and now you can move the back piece one step towards yourself, and the puzzle is assembled. To take it apart, you have to do exactly the same steps but backwards. First, tilt the puzzle this way. One of the parts is going to stick out on the back. Now grab this piece, move to the right. Now tilt the puzzle towards yourself, and these two parts are supposed to move towards yourself. Now if you lift the frame up, the piece that is on the back is gonna fall down and gonna stick out a lot on the back side. Now grab this small piece here, move it one step inside the frame and to the right, and that's when you can remove the first piece. Then you can remove the second piece, then goes small third piece, and then you can remove the last piece, and the puzzle is solved both ways. That was the solution of 444 Great puzzle, as always. All puzzles designed by Asanori Yamamoto are very interesting to solve, since each puzzle is unique and each puzzle have not only unique pieces but also unique shape of the frame, and it is also a great experience solving them. If you like 444 or you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Asanori Yamamoto or made by Pelikan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!